Behold the BMW Aero Motorbike, a masterpiece of engineering and design, crafted for riders who seek freedom, adventure, and the thrill of exploration. Sleek, lightweight, and aerodynamic, this bike combines the power of cutting-edge technology with the elegance of nature, drawing inspiration from the precision and agility of a falcon in flight. Its wings, slender and falcon-inspired, fold seamlessly along the sides when not in use and extend gracefully when needed, creating lift and stability for controlled flight, gliding, or hovering. At the heart of the machine, a compact central air jet engine provides smooth thrust, allowing the bike to rise effortlessly, hover inches above the ground, or accelerate forward with remarkable agility, yet always maintaining complete balance and control. Every surface, curve, and edge of the body is engineered for aerodynamics, reducing drag while enhancing speed, maneuverability, and efficiency. Solar panels integrated onto the wings and rear sections capture energy from the sun, continuously powering the heavy batteries above the dashboard, ensuring that long journeys remain sustainable and uninterrupted. Behind the rider, a compact, fully loaded camping module transforms the bike into a practical travel companion, offering storage for essentials, fold-out shelters, and tools for extended exploration, all integrated without compromising the sleek profile or flight capabilities of the machine. The rider sits confidently, fully connected to the vehicle, feeling the harmony between human intent and mechanical precision. As the wings unfurl, the machine comes alive. They extend with the grace of a falcon spreading its wings to catch the wind, providing lift and aerodynamic stability while slicing effortlessly through the air. The bike can hover over highways, glide silently above rugged terrain, or even skim across water, its lightweight frame allowing seamless transitions from road to air to water with absolute control. The air jet engine hums quietly as it adjusts thrust to match the rider's commands, ensuring smooth acceleration, gentle hovering, or precise directional changes. Every element of the bike, from the carbon fiber frame to the integrated energy systems, reflects a commitment to combining high performance with practicality. The wings not only provide flight, but also serve as structural elements for camping, allowing riders to deploy temporary shelters, sunshades, or tools for extended exploration, all integrated without compromising the sleek profile or flight capabilities of the machine. The Falcon-inspired wings, when deployed, create a striking visual impression, elegantly spanning just enough to allow flight without adding unnecessary bulk or weight, emphasizing efficiency, speed, and grace. The rider, always seated, feels a perfect balance between control and freedom, with the bike responding instantly to subtle movements, tilt adjustments, and throttle inputs. In forward flight, the air jet engine pushes the bike smoothly, providing a sensation of effortless acceleration, while the wings stabilize lift, allowing a seamless glide over any terrain. The machine is not just a vehicle, but an extension of the rider's intent, a fusion of human ingenuity, aerodynamic principles, and futuristic technology. From takeoff to hovering, from gliding over water to soaring above highways, every moment highlights the harmony between design, functionality, and pure adventure. As the journey reaches its conclusion, the Falcon-inspired wings fold neatly along the bike's frame. The air-jet engine tilts downward to stabilize the landing, and the bike descends gently to the ground, resting gracefully while retaining its poised aerodynamic profile. Even when stationary, the bike conveys a sense of power, precision, and readiness for the next adventure. It stands as a testament to innovation, combining the thrill of flight, the practicality of long-distance touring, and the elegance of nature-inspired design. Every feature, from lightweight carbon fiber construction to integrated solar energy, from Falcon-inspired wings to the central air-jet engine, has been carefully considered to provide an unparalleled riding experience. The BMW Aero motorbike transcends traditional transportation, turning every ride into an exploration of new horizons where roads, skies, and water merge into a continuous landscape of possibility. Adventure is no longer limited to terrain. It extends into the air, over water, and into the imagination. With every journey, the rider experiences a unique connection to the machine, feeling the power of lift, the grace of gliding wings, and the freedom of unbounded travel. From the first unfolding of the wings to the final gentle landing, every motion is purposeful, controlled, and fluid, reflecting a perfect synergy between human, machine, and environment. The BMW Aero motorbike redefines what it means to ride, blending innovation, elegance, practicality, and limitless exploration into a single extraordinary experience. If you want to buy a BMW bike, you can check the link in the description.